Cities across the country are voting to get rid of their red light cameras. Yet other Florida cities and Palm Beach County are adding cameras over the objections of ticketed drivers. Our exclusive Capitol correspondent Whitney Ray tells us the debate is likely to spill over into the next legislative session.
It was a close vote this past May where, in the waning days of the legislative session, House lawmakers narrowly passed a repeal of red light cameras.
59 yeas, 57 nays, Mr. Speaker.
Cheers and embraces among Cuban-American lawmakers from both parties for who the cameras invoked Big Brother memories from their communist homeland. The bill went to the Senate where Rene Garcia tried to sell the repeal to his fellow GOP lawmakers. The legislation was dead on arrival.
I'm still fighting it.
Session ended in May, but the debate rages on. Hundreds of drivers are challenging their tickets in court, claiming some cities are shortening yellow lights to catch more drivers, and in some cases, they weren't the ones behind the wheel when the ticket was issued.
Colin Moore received a ticket in the mail last week, but claims he wasn't driving.
And he drove through and tried to make the yellow and got snapped a ticket.
James Daniels says he and his cousin were in the intersection on yellow, but they still received a fine of nearly $200.
Don't have money like this in this time that we're living in a recession.
Still, others like Lanita Gallen say the cameras make the roads safer.
Stop at yellow lights. Don't try to make it.
In L.A., the city council voted to remove the devices. They couldn't convince the more than 65,000 drivers who received red light tickets to pay the fines. And the city had no authority to punish them if they didn't. In Florida, at least one city, Davie, is also considering a repeal. In Tallahassee, Whitney Ray, WPTV News Channel 5.